Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add effects on your image. So first, tap on the image, or you could also tap on the layer, and then you can just scroll down, and then there it says effect, tap there, and then there are only three different effects. So you can just try one by one. So tap, and then you can zoom in to see the effect and how it affects your image. And then you can also adjust whether your effect is too much or too little. And then so for example, I want to use this one. I can just adjust to the left or to the right. And that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.